This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I am at Beaches Negril in Jamaica, staying in a tropical beachfront concierge double. We are going to do a room tour. I wanted to show what it looked like directly outside my room first. You do have a key to get in. So when you come in, this is what it looks like. 2 beds. Some lovely art. This particular room does have a connecting door, so if you have a larger family and want to connect, you can. We're going to start over here, closet and bathroom, but first there is a full-length mirror. So you have some hooks and a small shelf. They have a step stool for young kids to be able to reach the sink. They have a makeup mirror. They do have some toiletries in addition to soap. And soap over here. They have age-defying probiotic lotion, Lux body cleanser, shampoo, and conditioner, as well as soap. And looks like some puff pad, cotton pads, and a nail file. And the closet with some extra pillows, the safe, some extra blankets, an iron, hair dryer. They have an umbrella and a couple of robes. In here, we have toilet, they do have a bathtub with the shower, great for the little ones. We have a desk, and that is a one long drawer that pulls out. Great if you have to do some work, like I usually do when I'm on a trip and traveling. There is a fan. Plenty of storage down here. It does have a microwave, coffee pot. It looks like a kettle, thing for some ice, everything you need for all of that. Coffee and some tea. You do have a mini bar. It has sodas, juices, and water. It does not automatically come with alcohol, but you can fill out one of the request forms, one of the concierge request forms, so that it will be delivered to your minibar. Hopefully you can see that. My eyes are really bad, so. There's wines, house selection of rum, vodka. So, plenty of things to choose from. We have some additional seating over here. That may actually pull out. I'm gonna go check. It does pull out. So this room will have an additional bed that can pull out, a single solo twin size bed. that will pull out from the chair. Let's go check out the balcony. We have a beautiful view, not just of a nice beach view, but just of the grounds as well. I don't know if you can hear the ocean, but the beach is just right over there. You do have a place to hang some wet towels or wet clothes, bathing suits over there. Gorgeous view. Again, this is a beachfront room. So while we cannot directly step onto the beach, it is over there. All right. And that is it. Beaches Negril and a tropical beachfront concierge double.